Amazing. JJ-san.
Alright.
Sisig chef.
That's the shape.
Oh, unbelievable skill. Oh, great. I will teach you how to cook sisig, okay? Because you like sisig so much, you didn't know that it's actually very cheap and actually very easy to make.
I invite you my apartment.
Oh, JJ? Very.
Only sisig. Only sisig.
Only to make sisig. Oh, really good. I really envy the way he chops up those meat. JJ! Oh, amazing. So serious. You're too serious, man.